and very different type of artists. So from very analog works, if you want to say so, and very manual and labor intensive, to also like digital works, of course. Like, I mean, we are in the realm of digital, like throughout. So we wanted to bring that diversity in, as well as, for instance, as we will see in the next room, like very senior artists. So like before, like, we've always been dedicating more attention to urban talents, let's say. Now we are really trying to really make it even wider and kind of bring also very contemporary, institutionalized art in places that, like, of course, have a very different audience than galleries or museums have. And of course, like, also less, like, more accessibility for all, right? So this work particularly is like a digital render of textures. So the one is called the texture tourist. So Yaki made an Instagram page asking people to submit textures of the city, especially related to water or to market. Like, so the city has a bazaar theme that is one of the underlying theme of the whole exhibition. And after that, she received many textures, and the textures are very characterizing of a city. In Bombay, you have textures, especially related to water, that are so unique, because of the moisture, because of the textures on the ground. So during the monsoon. So really, she's trying to capture different cities through textures, and this is dedicated to Bombay. Whereas essentially she walked over these textures submitted on her profile and made them digital. This sort of flow that kind of creates these objects which are very much connected to the theme of Anthropocene. But I guess that, again, I'm not going to go deeper into those details because otherwise we're going to make it happen. But please, later on, if you want to go deeper in some works, we are very happy to explain more. And of course, also to give you more info materials about it.